Hi there, this is Donna. Thanks for joining me for a quick product reveal with the Fairy Dreams rubber stamp. The stamp set measures 6x4 on red rubber, and it features 3 of the most adorable fairy images, as well as 4 sentiments. Now, all of Whimsy Stamp's red rubber are deeply etched, high-quality rubber mounted on an easy cling cushion foam so that you could use it with your acrylic blocks or a stamp positioner tool like I am now. Also, all of the Whimsy red rubber stamps arrive untrimmed, but you can certainly trim these, and you just want to kind of go out about 1/4 inch from the image line. Now, in the stamping world, red rubber is known for the beautiful details, easily achieving very fine lines in the stamped images. Here's a look at the stamped images. The tallest image measures 3 inches tall by 2 1/4 wide, and 4 of the most sweetest sentiments to complete your projects. I have one card to share with you featuring 2 of the 3 fairy images, and it's on an ink blended background with somewhat of a pastel color palette. I will have a step-by-step video for this card, so stay tuned for that. Also, be sure to join us on the Whimsy Stamps blog for the full mini release reveal and a ton of inspiration projects from all of the other members of the design team. Thank you so much for joining me for a quick product reveal. Be sure to hit the notification bell and the subscribe button to be notified the next time new content is uploaded. Thanks again for stopping by today, and I'll see you next time.